Good evening again, once again mga kawalkers. This is your kawalker, Kuyang Jun. And tonight is May 17, time check 9 p.m. and 8 minutes. Mga kawalker, this is my first time to walk solo. Wala po ang inyong mga kawalkers. Bagamat nakakalungkot mag-walk mag-isa, I have to honor my commitment to try and walk at least 8,000 steps every day to keep me healthy. Talagang ganyan mga kawalkers. Paminsan-minsan dumarating sa ating buhay ang pagsubok, and tonight is my first test to remain true to this commitment. Kaya kahit malungkot, alam niyo naman kapag tayo ay may kasama mga kawalkers, naglalakad tayo, may kwentuhan, may tawanan, parang ang bilis ng oras, at somehow yung burden of walking is somehow limited or diminished. But since we are walking solo, well, isipin na lang din natin, meron din naman sigurong advantages ang walking solo. And what is that? You get to walk by your own pace. So, walang hinahabol, mag-isa lang, ito lang ang kaya nating walk, then so be it. And what else? Nga pala, I will report to you that this is my last round dito sa park, dahil ako'y nakakawalk na ng 9,653. Pero may pondo kasi yan na 2,000 kanina. Therefore, hindi natin hanggang 10,000 hanggang dito sa dulo. So naka 8,000 na tayo, plus about 600 pabalik sa car. So 8,600, more or less 9,000. Kota successful mga kawalkers, buyers.